Yeah, so welcome back to my new video on how to marshal a JSON object or how to encode JSON objects. All right, so without further ado, let's jump right into the IDE. So as you can see, I'm already in the IDE. So I'm going to create a new project, which I'm going to call JSON-Marshal. Okay. I'm going to create a new JSON file called a Go file called main. I'm going to clean this and call it main func main. And then within this main function, I think I should just call JSON.Marshal, which I'm not going to use right now. I'm going to declare a strat object called color group. Okay. So this color group has attributes like the ID, which is an int, a name, which is a string, type, and then the colors. I'm going to call colors, and then it's going to be array of string. Okay, so that is all for the strat. So now if we come inside the main function, we want to call this strat group. So we're going to call it group and then call color group. Because it's a strat, we're going to pass in the ID. And then the ID, we can call it a 1. And then the name, we're going to give it, let's say, red. And then the colors is a slice of string. So we're going to call, we don't want to pass in the size. So it's going to be, let's say, crimson, red, red, cyan, green. So let me bring this into a new line. Okay. All right, so I think, let me add one more color. Let's call it black. So I think that is all for now. Now I'm going to pass in this group through this Marshal, JSON.Marshal, and then this is going to return. So as you can see, Marshal returns the JSON encoding of V, which is the strat that I'm passing in. So this returns a byte of this returns an array of bytes and then an error. So I'm going to say BYT and then the error. Okay. Then I'm going to handle this error. If it's not equal to null, then we want to just print the error. Then a passing error. Else, I want to just do os.standardout.write this byte. So you see this write takes a byte, an array of bytes. So I'm going to say byt. Okay. Yeah, so let's run this and see what we get. So as you can see, this is the ID, the name, and then the color, or the colors is an array of string. Okay, so this is how you can marshal a JSON object using the strat type. Okay, so if you have any question, don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section below, and then I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.